Hi, this is Dan, the founder of Growify, and in this video I'll walk you through our quick onboarding process so you can start using Growify to scale your ads faster and smarter. Step 1. Set up your workspace. Create your first workspace by entering a name, inputting your domain name, selecting your time zone, and choosing a master currency. You can set up multiple workspaces in the same account, and you can blend multiple currencies in each workspace. All data will be normalized to the master currency you set in each workspace, and you can update this anytime. Step 2. Install the Growify pixel. This is crucial. Without the pixel, Growify can't track or attribute your sales properly. Choose the right pixel type, e-commerce or lead gen, depending on your business. You can install it yourself, send it to a developer, or follow our plug-and-play guides for Shopify, Google Tag Manager, WordPress, WooCommerce, and more. Once your pixel is live, verify the installation so Growify can start collecting data immediately. If your pixel is not installed correctly, you can go back and reinstall it anytime. Step 3. Connecting your ad channels. Next, connect your ad platforms with our one-click integrations for Meta Ads, Google Ads, and Klaviyo. Just click the icon, follow the instructions, and you're all set. Don't see your ad platform here? Don't worry. In the next step, we'll show you how to integrate over 100 ad channels using UTM integrations. You'll need to add UTM parameters to your one-click integrations as well, and we'll cover that in the next step. Step 4. Adding UTM parameters. Here's where you can add over 100 ad channels by setting up correct UTM parameters for all of your ad campaigns. Make sure to add UTMs to Meta Ads, Google Ads, and Klaviyo as well to ensure accurate tracking. This is how Growify identifies which channel, campaign, ad set, or ad drove each conversion.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for Lifetime Deal link. Also like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more video.